Hello, hello, hello. Salon Diva V in the place to be, y'all. The backyard. So today, I am continuing to put some more of the cardboard down, and I purchased some, I don't even see it. Maybe I left it inside. I purchased some landscape fabric to put on top of it. It gave us a good old stupid rain last night. So everything is still nice and wet in this section. So yeah, we're gonna jump right in to doing the work. Even though I don't want to, it has to be done. You asked me why y'all don't. That was a little snake that was in the yard. I'd rather get him now than him to grow up and be big and make me not want to come out here in this yard. But you may have a question of why you putting cardboard down and then putting fabric on top of it. I don't feel like that fabric is heavy duty enough for these weeds. So that's why I'm doubling up. So let's get back to what we were doing. Let me get me some gloves on. you watch my video from my other channel, you see that I just purchased this shirt. I went thrifting and I purchased this shirt just to come out in the garden because I like how lightweight these are, and they protect me from the mosquitoes that's out here right now, y'all. They out here. I just swatted one away. So this shirt is wet. I threw it in the washing machine and took it right out and put it on. I didn't wait for it to dry, I just put it on. And it felt really good coming from out the cold house, putting this cold shirt on and then stepping outside. Yeah. It felt real good. You know what it is. Peace. Okay, y'all, so here is the finished results of the landscape fabric that I put on. I think it was like 30 feet. So I was able to get 2 rows done in a little section right here. I wanted it to be thicker, but I knew it wasn't going to be that much thick. I knew it wasn't going to be that thick because it was only $14. But there is cardboard underneath there, so it should be good. And I'm going to go over this with some more red mulch. All right, y'all, so we're about to